So in the previous videos, we talked about using Koala and getting the sound to go back and forth. One thing to keep in mind is that if you have a computer with multiple USB-Cs or headphone outs, particularly, and we're talking about a Mac right now, because that's all I can speak on because that's what I have. But I imagine that you can do similar things with the PC. Now on the Mac, because loopback only works on Mac, one of the things I appreciate about it is, as you can see, I'm running my vocal through, but I can also have multiple monitors. Those monitors are important. For instance, if I'm doing the situation where I told you in the last video where you're running the headphone out to your iPad to record, if you don't have an interface, you will not be able to hear what you're recording. So you'll have to unplug to listen, and it will get kind of messy. So a splitter is the best way to do that. So let's take a look over here. Amazon. Splitter. Probably spelled that wrong. Okay, so here's what I mean when I keep saying splitter, just so you can see it. You'll need something like this, or this, where you can plug in, and you see how it has the headphone and the mic. What you could do is you'd put the mic into your adapter for your iPad, and then you would take the headphone and put that into your headphones so that you can listen to the sound, right? So you're just splitting the signal. It won't make it mono just because you're doing that. It's just, this is designed to do that. All right, so that's what I mean by that. Get back to what I was going to show you. But having it separate here, I could run the headphone out to Koala, and then I can listen on the MacBook Pro speakers. Or if you have multiple outputs, you could plug in. Let me show you this. I'm just going to plug one into the USB-C. Allow. And then it should populate up here. It's not. Maybe I have to plug something in it. Or it may count that as, oh, there we go. See it populate. All right, so see how now I have this other one signal? That's not the headphone. So let's say I'm not using the MacBook speakers, because if I turn that on right now with this mic running, it's going to bleed and start screeching. Now, I don't have two of those USB-C adapters, so I would have to get another one to do this. But you kind of can get the point that if you use this, you could actually send the signal back over to your MacBook. I mean, to your iPad or iPhone with Koala and sample right in. But you will need that cable that I showed you in the previous video. So definitely watch that video. If you haven't seen it, I could try to put the link for it in the for this video. I might do that. But yeah, definitely watch so that you can see. All right, that's the end of this video. If you got any questions, you know I'm here to help. Just let me know.